Pretty much back with another one. I'm gonna go over exactly what trade we took today, how we won on both, and how you could have pretty much done the same. And if you do find this educational, please subscribe and join the Discord because it just lets me help even more of you out. In essence, two trades taken today. The first one, well, this is actually the second one, but irrespective. This one was on GJ, right? So GJ on the daily time frame is actually bullish, right? It's just going higher and higher. That's pretty much what we can tell from here, right? And this is likely going to be the drawn liquidity at this top, but obviously you can see that it's not taken as of now. So that's pretty much my thinking coming into the day. The 4 hour was bearish. Well, it retraced and then it expanded and broke structure. At which point I was like, awesome. When I saw this 4 hour retrace in the morning, I'm thinking, okay, we might be good to go. 4 hours good. Hourly, as you can clearly tell, is good. Is retracing. Is ready to expand. 4 hours good. Daily is good. 1 hour is good. So we just pretty much scale down as usual. And we're just looking at the time frames, waiting for alignment. 15-minute also break structure here. This is just more so just lower time frame structure that I write out when I scale down, but 15-minute structure breaks here. It also leaves a fair value gap, right? Okay, so now we have one daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, and then 15-minute and 5-minute here. 5-minute expansion, retrace back into OTE, take liquidity. So 5-minute structure is still bullish. Awesome. So now we can talk about 1-minute structure to pretty much execute, because we just explained how literally every single time frame is saying we should drift higher. Makes sense? So you can see that this was the 15-minute fair value gap that I mentioned that got revisited to take this low right here. Beautifully sweeps it, comes back into the bullish order block. At which point I'm thinking, okay, if this thing's going to go bullish, we have to invalidate this. So we need to start respecting bullish signs, which was this. This was slightly risky, but upon the reaction of this fair value gap, I knew we were pretty much good to go. And I pretty much put it here. But the reality is I should have probably executed right here on this return and left my stops within here. But yeah, that's this trade. My first take profit wasn't even this, it was actually just this straight, and then I had the second take profit that never got hit. Secured a nice little 2R, really good from my side. Happy with how that trade went. See how price ended up not going, and our take profit was actually placed at the start of this imbalance, because I was like, listen, I'm going to target these relatively equal highs. I don't want to go for this one because it may or may not get taken. So I'll just target that. And then as far as internally here, I want to target this fair value gap here that's been this area of inefficiency that's been known to be inefficient for a minute, because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inefficiencies within that same price line, and also over here. Yeah, that's that for this trade. And then the second trade was on GU. Well, this is the first one actually. Same idea. Very disappointing because I could have made a lot more from it, but we'll take it. Daily time frame, clearly bullish. I mean, if you want me to look into it further here, it's going up. 4 hour time frame, also bullish, right? Expansion, retrace, expand, sweep liquidity into the fair value gap, expand. 1 hour time frame. What are we looking for? Bullish structure. So we still have that retraced here into the fair value gap, expand is what we're thinking that we're going to get, right? So after that, so we have 1 hour structure with us, 4 hour structure with us, daily structure with us. So pretty much same thesis as GJ. 15-minute structure just broke right here. Awesome. At this point, I'm thinking, okay, 5-minute structure is on my side. I just got to make sure that I don't get caught up as liquidity here, so I don't got to rush the entry. Was pretty much my thought process. So I knew that there were a couple areas that had some decent potential. Sorry, I took it from the wrong zone. This order block here had some decent potential, and I was like, okay, I've noticed that we've come back into, but the thing is, 5 minutes bullish right